why'd you sneeze? You need to stop that. It's so hard not to laugh while you're doing that. You done? You probably want to get out, but I think everyone else is laying on you. Why do you guys have to sneeze so much? I think it's the weather recently. They're always a little sneezy when they first get up. This is a happy Clive though. Pretty sure that's Clive because that's Luke's butt right there. I think. No, that's Luke. Maybe? I can't tell. Ignore the mess that is that shelf right there. Hey. That's someone's butt right there. They're sleeping weird. I think that's Froze. Maybe? No, it's a boy butt. Show me your other arm. Hi, Froze. You're Luke. You're a Luke. Okay, I'm gonna stop this recording now. Don't do anything else cute.